welcome to Newsphere. Today we're going to be making a winter mobile using leaves and paper snowflakes. So I have a stick, 3 leaves, scissors, 2 pieces of blue paper. You could use a different color if you'd like. Some yarn, so 5 pieces of yarn, a hole puncher, so first, we're going to make 2 snowflakes to go on our mobile. So I'm going to take one of my pieces of paper and fold it in half. And you can make your paper snowflake however you'd like. I'll show you a simple way that I like to do one. So I'm going to cut a triangle like this. And I'll cut another triangle. So it's like a diamond snowflake. So that's my first snowflake. If you have another pattern you want to do, you could do that instead. And then I'll take my second piece of paper and fold it in half. And for this one, I'm gonna do oval shape. So I'm gonna cut half an oval. And then I'll do 3 long triangles. 1, 2, 3. So this is my second snowflake. So I've got my 2 snowflakes. So next, I'm going to start tying my leaves and my snowflakes to the stick. So I'll take a piece of my yarn. I'm gonna first tie it to the stem of this first leaf. So I found nice fall winter leaves outside in my yard that were brown and yellow. And I tried to find ones with long stems to help with the tying. I'm going to tie a knot around here. And then I'll tie it to my stick. Next, I'm going to do a snowflake, so I'm going to do it in a pattern: leaf, snowflake, leaf, snowflake, leaf. You could do it in whatever order you'd like. So I'm going to take my hole puncher, punch a hole. If you don't have a hole puncher, you could just tie it through that, one of the holes in the design of your snowflake. I'll tie a knot here. And there's our winter mobile. So we have leaf, snowflake, leaf, snowflake, leaf. If you want, you could cut off this extra yarn on the top where you tied the knots. And now you can take your winter mobile and hang it in your window, or you could even find a place to hang it outside so you could watch it blow in the breeze.